Nintendo Labo Toy-Con 1 Variety Kit. Everything you need is in the box. Cardboard sheets and a Nintendo Switch game card. Play games using Toy-Con creations assembled yourself from the cardboard. Toy-Con come in lots of different shapes and offer unique experiences. Let's take a look at the 5 Toy-Con included in the Variety Kit. First up, the RC car. You control the RC car using the Nintendo Switch touchscreen. The RC car moves using the vibrations of the Joy-Con. The vibrations move down the legs, allowing it to move left and right. There are lots of features hidden inside. What you can see here is the view from the RC car. There is an IR camera inside this Joy-Con. The RC car can use markers to see where it's going and drive by itself, even in complete darkness. If you have 2 pairs of Joy-Con, you can enjoy 2-player battles. There are bonus parts you can attach to your RC car too. This Toy-Con comes in 2 parts, the fishing rod and the sea. Cast the fishing rod and wind the reel to lower the hook slowly. Move the tip of the rod and the same movement will be reflected on screen. When you feel the fishing rod shake, you've got a fish on the line. Reel the fish in carefully. Good job. There are lots of different fish to catch. Try catching different fish by fishing in shallow and deep waters. What's this? That fish just bit the one I was trying to catch. The fish you've caught can be kept in your aquarium. You can even cut some paper and scan it to create your own fish. Next up, house. Looks like someone already lives here. If you tilt or shake the house, the room will also react the same way. Lots of different things happen when you insert these blocks into the house. Insert the button block and, oh, it's nighttime now. Let's try the crank block. Bedtime. Key block. The room is flooding. And the cable block. Are those portals? And if you insert multiple blocks at the same time, the room transforms. The house is certainly full of surprises. This is the motorbike. Grab the handlebars, turn on the engine, and twist the accelerator. Turn corners by leaning your body, just like a real motorbike. You can even dash after drifting or pull off a wheelie. Once you're used to driving, test your skills in the Grand Prix. Take on other racers and aim for first place. You can use the Toy-Con scanner to scan objects and create your own stadium. If you draw a path with this Toy-Con mini bike, you can create a circuit with that shape. You can customize your circuit further by changing track width, slopes, time of day, weather, and even place boost items on the course. Get ready to test your skills on your own circuit. Lastly, we have the piano. Press the keys and you'll hear notes. If you shake the piano while playing, the sound changes slightly. If you insert a dial, a cat, a chorus, A guy's voice? Try playing music using lots of different sounds. With acoustic mode, you can play sounds using the vibrations of the Joy-Con, and an empty box becomes a musical instrument. There's even a recording studio. You can tune real sounds such as envelope, reverb, octave, and more. You can also cut out a waveform card to create your own sounds. Create a rhythm with a rhythm card, then scan it. If you then play the melody, you can create an original song. Use the baton to direct the songs you've created. Make, play, discover. Nintendo Labo Toy-Con 1 Variety Kit.